Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I didn't do an intro for like my old video, but my name is Georgia. I forgot to introduce myself. Thanks for clicking into my video. I like handbags, fashion, beauty, things like that. I have an exciting video. I just recently bought a bag from Tradesy and Vestiaire, and I'm gonna unbox it. I'm so happy. So, just a disclaimer, and I save a lot of money and I work hard for what I have. Some people like buying other things. I happen to like handbags because I think they are like artworks. I appreciate the craftsmanship, the history behind it, just the design, everything. So please don't judge me for like buying these things. Also, these bags are pre-loved. I've been really into buying vintage and pre-loved bags because I feel like the quality of bags that were made back then were a lot better quality than the bags that are being made now. I don't know why, but I feel like as time has passed, the quality of bags has kind of like decreased while the price has increased. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox. I don't know which one to unbox first. Let's unbox this one first. So I have this one. This one's from Tradesy. Tradesy is a website where you can buy pre-loved luxury goods. They are authenticated. I've purchased from them before, so I trust them. I also really like them because their customer service is really good. They have pretty good prices, and they have good deals. They always have like coupons and stuff like that, so I like buying from them. Also, the sellers on there are pretty responsive. Sometimes you get like sellers that don't really respond, but yeah, I'm excited. And I know we're not going anywhere right now, it's quarantine, but I still think it's a good time to invest because the prices are just going to go up on these bags, and I think of them as investments of art pieces and things that I know I'm going to wear for long term. So I would understand that you're not buying anything right now, but for me it's just like, I don't know, I feel like you should treat yourself every now and then. You know, I haven't bought anything, so I was like, oh, I've worked really hard, I'm going to buy this, treat myself to a COVID gift because quarantine has got us going crazy. Also, I got this for a really good price, so yeah. Let's see the package. Okay, so it came with these papers. It says, removing the tags voids exchange. Please inspect the item and decide to keep it before removing the tags. Okay. Oh, I think the seller just got that in there. Okay, so nothing else in the bag. What the heck? I don't know where to start. I'm just gonna cut it. They wrapped it in so many layers. Bubble wrap. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. I'm gonna try to be careful. Okay, ready? So this is the bag that I got. It's the Chanel East West chocolate bar crossbody in the color beige and the lambskin leather, and it feels so nice. It's soft. So it is pre-loved. I got it for a really good price. I got it for like under $1,000, which is a really good price, but it does have like a lot of scuffing, and it has, see, like it has scuffing and stuff like that. But this doesn't really bother me, you know? Like you mostly see like the front of the bag. This is inevitable. You're always gonna scuff your bags. I'm gonna do my best to clean the back right here, but they put a bunch of tags on this. So I bought it from this seller, the Bagriculture on Tradesy. This is the turn lock. Wow, I can't even turn the turn lock because they put one here. I like the way leather smells. This is the inside. It says Chanel right there. It had some bubble wrap inside. This bubble wrap looks nasty. The inside. And the strap. So actually, correction, I forgot this isn't a crossbody, it's a shoulder bag. So it's like this. Then you could wear it like a clutch. Yeah, it looks good. I'm happy. Oh, I forgot to show the pockets. So it has the lipstick pocket and then the two pockets. It's kind of sticky. And then the main pocket. So for this, basically they have the tags here, and you could decide to return it if you don't like it, if you decide that you don't want it, if you don't like it. But once you take off the bag, it's kind of like fashion foul. You take the tag off, you own the bag, basically. So you can't return it. That means you accept the conditions. And yeah, I'm not gonna take it off right now because I'm gonna look at it after this video. That to the side. The next bag I have is from Vestiaire Collective. It's a bag that I've been wanting for the past 4 years. So this is not an impulse buy. It's a bag that I've been wanting for maybe even longer than 4 years, since like 2014. So that's like 6 years. 6 years that I've been wanting this bag. And initially I wanted to buy the bag brand new, but I was like, okay, I don't know. So before I talk even more, I'm going to open the bag first. So this is the box. I guess I could show this. So the label came from Hong Kong, Vestiaire Collective. It's just the box. I'm just going to open it through the back right here. I think it opens up upside down. It came like this. then the Vestiaire Collective dust bag, some paper, and the box. So it came in this bag. It's kind of like a cheap feeling bag, but at least it came in a bag. The other one didn't. I was hoping it would come with a dust bag, because when I bought from Tradesy before, it came with a nice dust bag, like a cloth dust bag. And when I bought from Fashion File, it came with a dust bag. But I'm just gonna open it. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so this is a vintage Chanel square mini in the larger size. It's in the 20 centimeter size, which is like 8 inches. And it's in lambskin with gold hardware. And you pay to get it authenticated. So this bag was authenticated. It tells you who authenticated it. It tells you the condition. So this was listed as good condition on the website. I got it from a Japanese consignment seller. So the shipping was expensive. The shipping was so expensive. I think I paid like $70 just for shipping. But I got a good price on this bag too. Not like the best price, but I got a good price because the prices are going up on Chanel. There's like crazy price increase that just happened recently, but this one doesn't have the Mona Lisa pocket, which is the pocket in the back that the smaller square mini has, where you could put like a card, but this one doesn't. I wanted that one, but that one's really hard to find, and the prices are way more expensive. It's like $1,000 more than this one or something like that. But I got this one because it's like really good condition. You can see that the leather is still very shiny. I mean, the puffs are like deflated, but I kind of like this look more than the puffy look, because this has a more like, I don't know, like classic vintage look to it. Also, this bag is like 30 years old, and look at the condition. Like, it's like there's no scuffs. It wasn't repainted because the leather is still soft and supple. I'm trying not to scratch it because I have long nails and my nails are really sharp right now. So the turn lock is like perfect. It doesn't make a noise. And then the inside, gold hardware, the double CC, some stuffing inside. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I've wanted this bag for like 6 years. I'm so happy that I finally have it. Like, I'm shaking. Like, I'm so happy that I finally have it. The chain is perfect. Look at this. I also wanted to get a vintage Chanel because they have the hardware plated in 24 karat gold plating, which they stopped producing after 2008. So any bag older than 2008, the gold hardware bags are made out of actual gold plated, like 24 karat gold plated hardware, whereas any bag newer than 2008 is just gold toned hardware. So this is like heavy. You can tell it's like good quality, and look how shiny it is. inside, the pockets. And it's full leather lining too, with the serial number, hologram number still intact. And the top of the bag right here is like in really good condition. I don't see like any like really major scratches. Like there's scratches, but for being 30 years old, this bag is in freaking great condition. I forgot when exactly this bag was. Okay, I'm gonna put this on now. Okay, yay, I'm so happy. So the reason why I went for vintage is because the retail price of the new Chanel Classic Flap in the mini square size is like almost $4,000. I think it's like $3,800, and then plus tax, it's like $4,000 for a bag. And then this I got for like half the price, or like less than half that, and it has all the qualities I love, like the history, the craftsmanship, the quality. Like I just like bags that are made during its like what I would consider like their prime time of like the company, like production. Obviously like quality diminishes over the years as demand gets higher, production changes, things like that. I'm not saying that it's not a good brand. It's like one of my favorite brands, but can't beat buying pre-loved because it's just a great option. It's a great affordable option to get a bag at a great price. Yeah, thanks for watching my vintage bag haul. I know I don't have a lot of people watching my videos, but I just want to make some videos like this because I personally thoroughly enjoy watching videos like this on YouTube, and I feel like it's just really informative and helpful for people who are looking to buy bags, especially people who are looking to buy pre-loved bags and stuff like that. And yeah, I just want to share my hobby online. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, or like this video, subscribe if you want to see more content. Yeah, thanks.